come to rhyme and shine. Look! Choo Choo Train goes down the track, carrying hopes upon its back. Little hearts say SubhanAllah as we travel near and far.
I love the green fields.
Through the deserts white and gold, stories of the prophets told. Soft warm breeze, a gentle sign. Madinah's peace is so divine.
Look!
Choo Choo Train goes round the bend. Every moment feels like a friend. Children smile and softly say, and Salawat for him each day. Green dome shining from afar, brighter than the brightest star. Masjid and an-Nabawi standing tall, a place of mercy for us all. Choo Choo Train slows down its pace, love and calm fill every space. We step down with grateful hearts, a blessed journey now restarts. Peaceful streets of Madinah glow, where gentle winds of mercy blow. Hands raised high, we make our dua. Guide us, Ya Allah, near and far. Thank you for watching.
Light of the heavens and the earth, guide our hearts.